It's day 3 of the letter V. So let's concentrate some of these dots today. You want to go in and on the right-hand side and the bottom, add more dots. That means that you're going back and doing another layer right in tight to the edge of the V, but you're not going in and drawing a line. You're still creating a stippled area with some variety, but you want it to still have the appearance of a shadow. So that means the concentration of your dots should be doubled. You might also have to blend a little bit more than you did before out towards the negative space where you have nothing. So pay attention to how your stippling transitions from heavy stipple to medium stipple to light stipple to nothing. And then the bottom, adding those extra stipple dots. Not solid, you still want to have those areas of white and light in here, and then transitioning it out very naturally. Obviously, doing that extra bit of stippling takes longer, but it can make the letter pop a little bit more. Keys, though, are you want to have clean corners so that they don't look rounded, which means that you should pay attention when you're placing dots in corners and also in points. Points should be a single dot. When you're doing your shadow and when you're doing your stippling, make sure that there is a natural transition from heavy to medium to light to nothing. And that will make it look like you have just magneted these dots in to create a letter. Don't forget to share what you create with the hashtag incyalphabet. That way it will inspire not only you to create, but all of us to create together.